Yeah, what's going on? This was that machine that I picked up about 3 months ago. It was at the Craftsman with the Kohler that had that slight tapping sound to it. So I just wanted to go over a couple things with this. I went ahead and replaced that screen up top that was melted. Put a new Champion spark plug in. The air filter was pretty clean, just needed to be blown out. And what else? Oh yeah, right. The carburetor on these, the Walbro LMK, it was allowing fuel to get past, so the needle and seat weren't sealing. So a little trick I came up with to fix that issue was I took one of those springs that are on the end of those needles on those Honda carburetors, and I was able to cut that in half and put that on the end of the needle, and that solved that issue. I also did pop open the carburetor and cleaned it all out while I was in there. It ran fine, but I did that anyway since I was in there. But yeah, it's a little trick I learned with these, because these Walbro LMK in particular on these Kohler Command singles, over time they tend to leak the most out of all the engine brands. So I did that and it worked out. So that's a little trick I came up with to solve yourself of that issue quicker. Now there is still a shut-off valve on here too, which is good. Gas in it wasn't the freshest, still isn't the freshest, but it's running perfect. One other thing I had to do was drain the oil and change it. It was diluted with gas, so it smelled like gas. It looked brown, probably from the color of the old gas kind of mixing with the oil. So I changed oil. And then as far as the tapping, I was able to resolve that the majority of the way. I noticed I pulled this muffler down to touch it up, and the end that goes up in was starting to rot out a little bit. So I don't think it was creating a perfect seal. So I grinded it flush where it was still solid with an angle grinder, and then I used some of that muffler goo that they sell. I put that around the sides of the pipe when I went to slide it back in, and that pretty much made it a lot quieter. Like I said before, these Kohlers are known to have a bit of a sound to them, a tapping sound, naturally. But I'm gonna start it now. It sounds good. So barely hear any kind of tapping. The distance is quiet. Pretty quiet engine. Idle's nice and smooth. They're good engines. They always were good engines. Like I said, they just have quirks. You know, it's carburetors, needle and seats leaking, stuff like that, but in general they're a good engine. They still make the V-twin version. They're like $4,000 new, last I checked, I believe. They only sell them for commercial applications now. But yeah, she sounds good, runs good, doesn't smoke, engine's in excellent condition. So I figured I'd just share that. Yeah, you hear how even when it comes to a halt, it kind of clicks a little. So Kohlers, just these Kohler commands naturally have that sound to them. But if anything, a little bit of noise would be coming from this area, but it's not really noticeable anymore. It's not something that would be a complaint. Okay, and then with the deck, it was filled up with a lot of crap, but I found out that the reason that the thing wasn't returning properly is it's missing its spring right here, which I have, because this is supposed to have that spring to pull it back when you disengage it, pull it back all the way. So I think that's the main reason it wasn't. So you can see the belt's got a little bit of wear, so we'll take care of that, no big deal. So, and then only other thing I noticed, there's a spring on here that keeps this nice and tight. That's broken. It's common for it to happen. I have this deck spring hanging on it right now, but you can see it. I have one of them. I'll change that. This is twerked, but this one I'm pretty sure uses the rod, so I can probably get in there and bend the rod straight, and then that'll be fine. If not, I definitely have these ones. That's still coming back down. Charges up to like 23 volts, I noticed, which, because I was checking it to see if it was charging. It's charging it up to 23. So it really charges that battery when it's running. And then the only other real thing is this one tire is a little worn, so I have another one with better tread. And then clean it up, do what I gotta do to it, send it on its way. Yeah, the deck, I'll sharpen the blades, touch up the deck, touch up any of the black trim, and then it'll be a good tractor for somebody. Oh, steering's a little bit sloppy right now, but I know why. I'm gonna take this, it's not the sleeve part, I just got to, well, a little bit, but mainly it's just up here. It gets sloppy, gotta add an extra washer, and then torque it down with an impact, and it'll take the slop out of it. So once I do all those couple of things, this machine will be good to go for somebody. So, and I had the side deflector for the deck that was missing to put on. But yeah, it's the Kohler Pro 17OHV, which is 490 cc. But it's the biggest one for the single cylinder commands. I took all these guards off, cleaned all that. Putting these back on were a pain because I don't work on these as often, so I kind of forgot how they went, but I got it figured out. Now she's good to go. So that's it. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Bye.